The Blues path to cellular connectivity versus bespoke or do-it-yourself models is much faster. Any of the customers that are here in our booth here at CES have amazing stories around what they were doing prior to meeting Blues, and one of the consistent stories is that they had been working on these designs trying to get their connected products connected to the cloud for years. They had tried everything from doing it themselves to using multiple sets of technology cobbled together, and Blues gives them time. I think if somebody asked me what does Blues provide customers, I would say it gives you speed, it gives you time to value so you can focus on getting your value out into the market. I've been walking around today talking to these customers about how long did it take you to build your prototype? How long did it take you to pilot? It's interesting that the common answers is in the initial test of using Blues, it's typically days up to 2 weeks. That's very, very fast compared to months and years. And then the second piece of this is that the prototype that they develop is good enough to deploy. So there's no refactoring involved in actually taking a product to market. So we're seeing a significant increase in the time to value that customers are actually getting their products to market connected to the cloud.